Hello, in this lesson the main quality control systems are going to be described, especially the artificial vision. First of all, due to the importance of the quality management standards, it entails doing some quality tests. In the process of weaving, it's very important that these tests were carried out in situ, and it also has to be non-destructive and superficial. The constant technological innovation enables the development of advanced and accurate systems which are increasing in the last years. Some of the most advanced techniques for defect detecting are X-rays, sensors and ultrasounds. And for a correct product quality assurance, various quality controls must be performed to the defect detection after the production and before the packing process. The first technique described is the X-ray technique. This technique consists of detecting the difference of radiation emitted and received, and it allows to detect variations in the weight of the fabric. It's not possible to qualify the type of the defect because the technique only detects variation of radiation. The results are shown as a graphs. It's convenient to use the design data provided by the loom, which the detection system is applied, because combining the X-ray technique with other quality control techniques, it's possible to determine the nature of each defect. The second technique described is the ultrasound system. Traditionally, the product to be evaluated by this technique should be subjected to liquid immersion or direct contact. Techniques using ultrasound without direct contact have been developed recently, so it's possible to detect defects in some kind of textiles. The maximum distance between the transmitter and the receiver has to be 3 mm. The ultrasound technique can detect variation of intensity received by the receiver. The lack of matter is translated into an increase of the transmission and an excess of matter in a decrease of the transmission. The results are displayed as a graph and could also be shown as an image. The X-ray and the ultrasound techniques both present some restrictions or problems, such as they don't allow classification of the defect, there's a radiation source, and it's also necessary the human intervention for decision making. For this reason, the use of the artificial vision is proposed as it solves these problems of implementation in various areas, including the textile sector. Thank you for your attention.